You didn't even know to call it joy. You just lived it. In your bare feet on the warm pavement, days started in wonder and ended with dirt under your nails. But as life got louder, grades eclipsed the joy of learning. Keeping score sidelined the joy of playing the game. Taking pictures of moments blurred the joy of being in the moment. And the shape of your body became more important than the shape of your heart. You believed everyone who said you had to earn your worth. So you coped by scrolling, by drinking, by buying, by feeling good for a minute, then feeling nothing at all. You learned how to feel numb, but forgot how to feel alive. What if you didn't have to wait for a breakdown to experience a breakthrough? What if therapy and meds aren't the whole answer? What if you weren't meant to manage your symptoms forever? What if you were meant to come back to life? What if your inner child was saying that to you all along? All you had to do was listen. Beond, reclaim your joy.